In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. This is really helpful if you prefer to listen instead of read, if you want to proofread your writing by hearing it, or if you need some extra support with accessibility. We'll walk through a simple way to have your Google Docs content spoken out loud using tools that are already built into your browser or device. First, open the Google Doc you want to listen to, just like you normally would in your browser. Make sure your text is visible and that you're logged into your account. It's a good idea to zoom in a little if that helps you follow along visually while you're listening, but that's optional. Next, highlight the section of text you want to be read aloud. You can select a sentence, a paragraph, or even the entire document. Just click at the beginning of the text. Hold down your mouse or trackpad and drag to the end of the section you want. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also use those to select text more quickly. Now we're going to turn on the Read Aloud or Text-to-Speech feature. The exact steps depend on which browser or device you're using, but the idea is the same. You'll use a built-in screen reader or text-to-speech tool that can read selected text on a web page. In many modern browsers, you can right-click on your selected text and look for an option that says something like Read Aloud, Speak Selection, or Read Out Loud. Click that, and your computer will start reading the text you selected. If you don't see that option, check your browser settings or accessibility settings on your device for text-to-speech features. Then come back to your document and try again. Once the reading starts, you'll hear a computer voice reading the text in your document. Most tools let you pause, resume, or stop the reading using on-screen controls. You can usually change the reading speed as well, which is great if you want to slow things down for careful proofreading or speed things up if you're just reviewing. If you plan to use this often, consider adjusting the voice and speed in your device or browser settings so it sounds natural and comfortable for you. And remember, you can repeat this process anytime. Select the text, activate the Read Aloud feature, and listen while you follow along in your Google Doc.